The McDonald's Progressive Young Farmer programme gives young people the opportunity to experience the whole food supply chain from farm right through to the consumer. It focuses on how farmers, processors like Don Meats and customers like McDonald's work together to produce high quality food.
The scale of the industry really surprised me. Growing up on a farm, you understand food production at a local level, but seeing how big the operations are, from milk manufacturing to how restaurants are ran so efficiently, was really eye-opening to me.
I heard about the programme through my college careers fair and decided to apply because I really wanted to gain an insight into how farming connects with processors and how they supply global brands like McDonald's.
I've always understood farming from a practical point of view, but this experience has definitely shown me how connected the whole industry is. It's given me a greater appreciation for everything that happens beyond the farm gate, like processing, sustainability programs, and the final product that reaches the customers.
I would tell anyone interested in applying for the programme to just go for it. It's a great opportunity to meet new people, learn new things and really expand your knowledge.
I definitely encourage anyone with an interest in farming, food, or even just something new to apply. It's a unique opportunity to experience every part of the food chain and not just in one area.